Umbra GCN page so leading at the Ajua searching. Mr. Subscribe to my channel. Found some ya bell on so. Ube a notification video be a share. 4th March, Namia and Supreme Court day final judgment ever out. Ewa bra 2020 to a baby ya NDC for when your monty I say almost some down Supreme Court say court in KB mom because almost to say 2020 about to and now every knee. Asem no more atinaso now no 4th March ya and now the final judgment ever out His Excellency Nana Dankwa Kufuor na chese odi ebim Supreme Court chese onto anamembuso na 4th March final judgment ever out we and Afia Schwar sister Afia name say Afia Schwar do NDC ni ope oman penida that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama nasem entina yensusu say Supreme Court pra ka say His Excellency Nanado ento anamembuso anka Afia Schwar eba be video de asre oman penida that John Dramani Mahama na adofo verdict no eba out na chese His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Kufuor eto anamembuso no and Afia Schwar eso camera si ne so ewo Instagram nene asade nyasem keto akra na asana se na ode caption eto ho na o chese greetings from Supreme Court na chese Supreme Court omo atena se omo koye omo chese His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Kufuor ento anamembuso na oman penida da John Dramani Mahama we defonti no na Afia Schwar yes a video na ode sa caption no egu ase na de ene yake na se Afia Schwar na enim se wo do NDC ni mapa because 2016 Afia Schwar na Tracy Boache campaign omo ye na enya campaign keto akra omo ye campaign de ma oman penida da John Dramani Mahama na enim se Afia Schwar de ontumi emfi NDC party ni muda na 2020 ya beto abeya na Afia de eba out so one de enya de obeya campaign de ama oman penida da John Dramani Mahama da or catch Ghana for say yentu aba FMA His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Kufuor na onto anamembusu because free SHS no dey aba no eboa enyafo na fe so emofra omonam street so a omo eni ahwefo nti Afia Schwar campaign de ma Nanado na ensem ni beto odwa Ghana fo kasa ya say na Afia wo ye nim wo pad na ye nim se nka obetini akase agro na wudi ana susuampa Afia Schwar campaign de His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Kufuor aye hu videos Afia Schwar na MPP for omo campaign je say Ghana for nwa pa na eno na Supreme Court ensensemi na no 4th March so twa ye Afia Schwar je say ye video osa na ode sa caption no eto as na je say osre oman penida da John Dramani Mahama na face MPP amayoku no say omo edi inkuku na do fo ye hwe video ne kaka.
No. Onkoye ni yi o. Obi obeje wo ba onko tete ni yi. What you say? Make sense subiem. Make sense subiem. When you allow a 14 years boy, a 15 years boy to drink Smirnoff Ice, which is alcoholic, are you doing good to that child? Are you doing good to that child? Sa kwalani di 18 a die no be sa kwala no di 18 a die na sa kwala no obeye we should be bia e was a we as a young girl to raise your own children. Do it. Me awani na ye peduma na fa won saye Madam, utonsuya. Unye krasinio utonsuya. Let me just remind you something. Mama min kai mu bibi ketuwebi. Me and papa say Kwame despite. He is, if not the richest man in Ghana. He is one, if not the richest man in Ghana. Today I came to remind you that Dr. Osei Kwame despite. Wayeden otonchine. You two are your dated sorts. Dia. Otonchine. Na wo dia I was going to mean donchine. Oh dia. Oh dia I was going to mean donchine. Dr. Osei Kwame despite. Oton enchine. He sells salt. For one say duma na ye duma wuda. Uye duma wuda. Dr. Oforisapo specialize in on the 30 year. Ensure. Why the would catch Dr. Oforisapo? Otonsio. And no pepe casa chirawajune. Otonsio. Obi umia. And I want to be your mommy. And I want to be your mommy. Me and my children, we've been homeless before. Me and my children, I said it several, we've been homeless before. And if your mommy is homeless today, it doesn't mean she'll be homeless forever. If you don't have it today, it doesn't mean you will not have it. Me, I am strongly against Obidineba. Na ujana no. Ekurawa. Hey, una ukurawa dio. Una atiana wote. Una okasa na wote. Una betimi aka wono kure achire no. And young ladies, we should learn to cut our coats. First, you have to cut your coat according to your size. Obi want a size and a switch any coat, no. So now there you cut your coat according to your fabric. Or fabric and then swan. Now a panjarabia, no what's nasty. This generation more pray. Pray. May start cancer subium. Raise your kids. Do something. Do something. A yen pa. A ye one seed in pa. It's your hard-earned money. When you read the Bible, say, and so whatsoever they do it, they shall prosper. Not just you have to do something. What I say? Bible class, whatsoever they do it, they shall prosper. They like don't baby and shiraba so. Not just I was so weird baby. I was so weird baby. I was so don't say a ye baby and jaw back and fan koma will be emanin sen. What I say? And jaw back and fan koma will be emanin sen. Emanin sen. Because a bass say ya, I did say ya. Ni nyamia memoir editing. Nyamia memoir editing. Me de dem beka ya no no. Ko to amen komos why? Dem beka ya no no. Ko to amen komos. Me sa kesi so. Obi de bejawa. Hweni ye. Titini ye. Me house girls grabbing no matter no. When they go, they come back. Mommy ya feel, mommy ya feel, mommy we want to come and spend Christmas with you. Mommy we want to come home. Why? Because in this house we raise heroes and champions by the grace of God. Obi dinadi ejawa shesuye. Ush obi adie suye ebeye wodia. That is for a fact. So obi dinadi ma na shesuye. You end up owning it. You own it with no stress. You own it with no stress. What you say? Nyamisha mo what? Na omo mo ban what? Na onfa oja enhye watanfo. Ene nkwasiafo. Nyame ema adom ene kese ewo moso. Na bro nyai As mama can't be home. Now let's see if pay you maybe water. Pay you maybe a water. We are Juma. Pay Juma ya. Fancy ye Juma thing. Water. A coin. Water. Yeah, bye bye. May the check us and so feel gone. Abram.